Hello, and welcome to another tutorial. I'll be doing another tutorial on how to do William, but this time in a different form. We're gonna do him in his SpringBonnie form from the third game. So I'll tell you the blocks that I will be using for him, and they'll be the exact same blocks that I used for William. Black concrete for his eyes, white concrete for the white in his eyes, purple concrete for all the parts that will be sticking out, and yellow for the whole costume. So the feet will be 6 for each. And then there'll be a 1 block gap. He'll go up by 2. Make sure there's 3 here. It'll be just like the other one. Now we'll go up by 9 for this side. Like that. We'll go up by 7 here. Do the same on this other side. Now we'll go up by 5. Really to match this part. Now fill in both legs. Like this. Then we'll fill in his hip area and do a little stick out here. We'll go up by 3 and then fill this in. And go back 1. Now fill this area in with purple. Like that. Now we'll do another stick out. Go all the way over here like that. And now we go up by 4. With both sides. Now we fill this in. And then we'll do up by 2. Both sides. Then add your purple here. 1 block for both. And then we fill him in like this. Then we'll move on to his arms. We go down by 6. Like that. By 2, and back up. By 8. Do the same over here. Go down by 6. By 2, and up by 8. Looks like it's supposed to look like this. Now we fill him in here like that, leaving 1 block here. Now, we'll make sure his neck is 3 blocks wide, leaving 2 blocks here. 2 blocks like that too here. Up by 1. Leaving his little corners empty. We go up by 6. We'll do the same over here. And now we'll do the rest of his face. For now. With 5 blocks wide. one block for both sides and fill in his little chin area cheeks. Fill in this area. 3 blocks wide, 2 blocks high for both eyes. And then put in his soulless silver eyes. And then fill him in. And do that. Now we'll move on to the most important part. His ears. We'll go up by 4. And 2 blocks wide here. Then we go up by 4 over here. And by 2 over here. We go out and do a little block stick. And then we go up by 3. Make sure it's 2 blocks wide on both sides. And there he is. SpringBonnie. In this full glory. Before he becomes all crusty and burnt. I hope this helped you. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.